coming from Mitch Payton himself in the post-race show saying Cameron McAdoo is done for the year. Now, obviously, this was Daytona this weekend. He raced the heat race and he said coming out of it, it was swollen. The knee was looser than it was before. And they made the decision. He did, Cameron did, who knows, whatever. But they made the decision he's done for the year and he's going to get it fixed. Now, obviously, the Steve Mathis, like 12 hours ago, 7 hours ago, something like that, said that on Twitter that he was going to have the knee fixed after the Supercross season. So this obviously moves that timeline up, and who knows where that falls for the rest of the year. How long he's going to be out for, obviously, the surgery, then recovery, and time before he's even back on the bike, much less training at a normal schedule, racing the bike at a quote unquote race speed. And obviously, this comes from, his last injury in Detroit where he, well, face planted and had a problem. So this year has not been good for Cameron McAdoo. Starting the year with the ACL injury, the first race actually looked pretty good. I mean, getting a podium, it looked like, hey, maybe he can salvage something this year. If he gets a few podiums or looks good and he doesn't crash and get hurt, it might not be that bad. But, well, we obviously know where that was. Detroit, obviously, the big crash. And then, obviously, Daytona this weekend. And, I mean, it's never good if you go and race a heat race and come out and it's more swollen, the knee's looser than it was before, and probably in a lot more pain. And well, if you make that decision to be done, which is probably the smart thing, honestly, he's out like 11th in the points at this point, or was, sorry, going into Daytona, he was 11th in the points. He's obviously farther down now, not having raced the main. So even coming into this race, he was out of it. Like, you're not going to miraculously start winning every single race with a hurt knee and come back and win this championship. So it was kind of a, I don't want to say pointless endeavor, but kind of a pointless endeavor, to be out there just to be out there, really, hoping for a podium or hoping for, a top five as a one of the what should be a championship contending factory ride, bike and rider. That's kind of a weird situation, kind of a stupid situation. Get the knee fixed. Obviously, it's going to take a long time to heal and get back into actual race mode and see where it falls. I mean, especially now if he has half of the Supercross season left or so, something like that, he'll have at least a head start on the healing, maybe towards the middle end of motocross. He could come back and race some SMX playoffs. I don't know if he'd even get enough points for that to do it, but it's at least smarter to do it now. Get it done, get the surgery done, get the healing done, get back to training instead of waiting to the end of Supercross and then, missing all of motocross and just having this weird, like, you're racing a season for no point and then, I don't know. So it sucks. Obviously, Daytona was not a very good round for Pro Circuit with the Levi Kitchen crash and now the McAdoo news. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Comment down below. You think it's smart to have it just do it now, cut the season, and be done? Do you think he should have continued going? What do you think of the Levi Kitchen crash? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.